Would you like to start running your own online store? Now you'll learn how to configure your payment gateway. To receive the data about payments and transactions directly in the database, go to your project settings and activate the Webcat Sales option. Once it is activated, you'll see a new tab in the Modules section of your project. Go there to select your preferred payment provider. When requested, set up your payment provider settings. Now you've set everything, go back to your canvas and create an element from the Payment Buttons section. Then create a button and place it under the payment button you just created. Go back to this button and in Adjust mode, fill in all the information the props panel will require. All this info is related to the online payment parameters. Next video will cover step by step on how to connect your cart and checkout pages.